Hey, what's up, everyone? Hopefully, everyone's doing well. I got a request and a comment for a game called Undead Slayer. It took me a real long time to find the archive file for this game. It's an Android based cell phone game. I have no idea what it is. I thought it was something totally different when somebody said, "Can you do Undead Slayer?" I didn't know if it was like a mod or something like that. Oh, by the way, I'm using the new mic that I got sent. Hopefully, I'm coming out crystal clear. Let me read this. Undead Slayer is a 3D action game where you control a wandering warrior who challenges endless hordes of enemies while traversing medieval China. You'll advance across the China map through 90 different levels, and your objective will always be the same: to survive by killing the enemies that appear in staggering waves. Between levels in Undead Slayer, you can customize your main character with different kit and powers to inflict devastating damage on your enemies. You can also retool your weapons and kit out your comrades to help you in battle. Sounds like an RPG, actually. The combat system is Undead Slayer is specifically designed for touchscreens, usually just to tap your enemies to attack them, and you can slide your finger on the screen to perform special attacks. Undead Slayer is a spectacular, fun action game combining gameplay that's perfectly adapted to touchscreens with excellent graphics. All right. Well, this is actually you could download the APK for cell phones and stuff like that. If you like, I just wanted to find a site so I know what the hell I'm talking about and what Undead Slayer is actually all about, because I had no clue. So it's pretty much like a hack and slash game. To me, it just reminds me of a little bit of RPG as well. So, without further ado, I don't think I'm not gonna link this down in the description. I'm just gonna show you how to install it. I'll leave this up on my Google Drive, of course. Let me close this. Here's Undead Slayer. Apparently, there's no data files. Everything's already loaded in the VPK. Let me load up my FTP that I always use. You're more than welcome to use USB if you want. It's totally up to you guys. All right, stick around. I'm gonna plug in my PlayStation Vita and go from there. Stick around, guys. Hey, what's up? All right, I'm at my PlayStation Vita, as you can tell. Let's swipe myself in to the live area with the bubble room or the dashboard. Let's go to Vita Shell. All right, from here you want to hit the start button. As you can tell, I like to work in the dock. Next, you want to select button, which is to turn on the FTP method or the USB. Please choose either or. There's my FTP. IP address. Now we're going to go back to the computer and type these numbers in, and we could go from there. So stick around. All right, welcome back, guys. We're at the computer side of things. We're going to enter in the IP address that we got from the PlayStation Vita. Under host, let's type in 192.168.1.36. Let's tab over. Port is going to be LEET 1337. Let's do a quick connect. All right, let's go to the UX0. Let's go to stick this in my VPK folder. You don't need the VPK folder if you don't want. Totally up to you if you're organized, but it's not necessary. Not necessary. It's been a long day. It's not a necessity to have a VPK folder. How big is this file? Oh, it's 59.3 megs. Gotcha. That's why it's taking a little bit longer than usual. Okay, it's a zip file, so you guys, it's gonna be 58 megs. So hopefully you have some decent connection. Not like some I shouldn't be swearing. Not like some McDonald's or Treehouse connection. All right, files have been transferred over. I'm gonna disconnect from the server, and I'll see you guys back over at the PlayStation Vita side of things. Stick around. All right, we're back over the PlayStation side of things. Let's cancel this. You want to hit OK or cancel? Doesn't matter. Let's scroll down to, not scroll down, but push the D-pad down to the UX0. Go all the way down to your VPK folder if you got one. If you don't worry. You're still cool to me in my eyes, guys. Alright, let's install this bad boy. As you can tell, it's 59 megs, so it's going to take a little while. And I don't want to show my fat, ugly face again like I did in the review of the mic video, which is disgusting. If anybody likes movies and you know who the Elephant Man is, that's what I look like. That's what I look like. It's not very good. Alright. If you hear any weird noises, I got the AC going and I got a fan going right next to me. It is hot as balls in Connecticut right now. Today was like 80 degrees. It's ridiculous. Plus my allergies are bothering me big time. Hopefully you guys don't have allergies like I do. I get them bad in the spring and the fall time. My eyes are itchy. My nose is runny. I'm in like my own personal hell. It's not very fun. I take nasal spray to try to clear it up. It doesn't work too well, and it sucks. Alright, this is almost done. Almost there, baby. Alrighty. You could delete this if you want, or you could just leave it as is. I'm just going to leave it right now. Hit the start button. You can reboot if you want. It's totally up to you, or just swipe out, which I'm just going to do. There we go. It's installed. I'm unsure if there's going to be a translation patch or something. I don't speak Japanese, or what is this, Chinese? Alright, you could use the left bumper. Use the right one. The joystick to the left joystick works. Oh. The square button works too. So does the triangle. Circle works. Yeah, there has to be a translation patch. Somebody has to do it. Or there might be like an options or something like that that I'm not aware of. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Well, let's see. Touch. I guess, yeah. Guys, I'm just winging it right now to tell you. But the graphics aren't bad, actually. It's quite good. There's no start or select button either. Select button makes that guy like that. Start does the same thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they hit the pause button in the corner. Okay. There we go. We got it, guys. Ah, finally. It just doesn't change the hurrah, 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 puto maricon. All right, guys, this is what the game looks like. If you like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and I am out of here.